All right, what's up? Check it out. Today we're gonna run the MT218ss by HPI. These are now getting a little bit rare. There was the MT, and then they made some improvements upon that. This has the 0.18ss motor in it and a tune pipe. Yeah. I'm the original kit builder and owner, and this thing flies. I'm gonna get this set up and run it so you guys can check it out. Okay, be right back. All right, and we are running. This thing idles really good, actually. Let's see how this goes. I might have to get my steering dialed in a little bit and warm it up, of course. Wow, this thing is incredible. Get my steering dialed in and warm it up just a little. Oh man, God, I do not brake. Oh my gosh. This thing is so fast. I'm not even full throttle yet. There's a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I got brakes. Get more brakes. Yeah, it's this thing. This thing is really fast. So fast that it's scary to drive and film at the same time. How fast it is. Let's do a big sweep and get it up to top speed. Alright, let's go straight. I wish I had a GPS and I could see how fast the thing is. I think it does very close to 60. What do you guys think? Here we go. Oh my god. It's seriously scary fast. Like, I'm not even... Dude, I don't want to get that. I know you guys can't see it that far away, but I literally need the room. Oh my gosh. Good thing these tires are glued good. I set it up for speed running. It's got street tires on it. I mean, these aren't the most durable truggies in the world. You can bash them a little, you can dirt track them, but I don't, because I've already been through that and fixed it over and over. And it's pretty ballistic in the dirt, but it's kind of funner to just get it reliably working and run it on the road. That's what I like to do. I brought the MT Team Associated to go bash. Maybe we'll save that for another video. This thing is fun and fast as hell. Oh, I just traction flipped. Wow. And I landed on all fours. Oh, hope it's okay. It should be. It was a pretty gentle flip, but I can't believe I did that. seemed like it leaned out for a split second and got more power than I was giving it, is what I felt like it happened. This thing is fast. It's got a reliable turning radius, thank God, or I'd be smacking curves already. And you need a big open space. There we go. I just ran the gas all the way out. Dude, this thing's fun. Just got to run the rest of the gas out. And this lady can talk to me. Just want to make sure that it didn't stall due to an issue. And it's fired right back up. So my brake might have been set too aggressive. I still have brake, let's see. Got some nice control brake. There we go. And that's the rest of the tank. All right, now we're going to road test this Team Associated MT2v2. And we just got done driving the 18ss, which was a blast. So here's the MT10v2. This has got the upgraded Team Associated large bore thread adjust shocks. It's got RPM rear arms. That's Bear. He wants to go run around but can't for a second. I don't have any extra parts. I have the front RPM A arms, but we're not bashing today, sorry. I've got the skid plate set, and that's where we're at on this. So let's give this a run then. Fire it up. All right, we're ready to go. It's done. It's fun. Sorry, I'm not bashing today, guys. Look at that light. It likes to grip. The wheels will expand a little. Really fast. 3S. We're running 3S. Battery pack is dead, so that's what you get. So we just hit low voltage cutoff, no big deal. It's dead. That's the first time I've hit low voltage cutoff. Actually, I've never ran this all the way down. We're gonna go back to the workshop and talk about it. Say bye. Way of getting up here. Low voltage cut off. I'm gonna try and kill that pack. I got a little more juice out of it. I lowered the body 2 posts. Look at that, looks pretty good. And we're back in the workshop, Donatello's workshop. Here's Donatello. This kid, his name's Bear. So we ran this, the HPI MT218ss, and it ran magnificently. This thing is just flawless, man. It tuned for the road pretty good. I don't bash it. Went through that, fixed everything on this thing. Parts are getting harder and harder to find. Luckily I had hub carriers, because I broke the hub carriers and the uprights like earlier this spring when it was still kind of cold. Shouldn't have been driving it probably, but I was jonesing and itching, and it ran killer, and I didn't even touch the needle, and I still haven't touched the needle, and I'm thinking I could lean it out a little bit. It's like, why? It's already like a 60-mile-an-hour rig pretty much, you know. So I'm gonna get a GPS eventually and actually speed test this thing just to see where it's at. I need a new servo. I actually have one, I bought it. I need to switch this out. This thing's slow, old, kind of cooked, still works, but could be way better. The throttle servo is fine. It doesn't take as much abuse as the steering servo does on these. The thing just runs tip top. My tires are holding together glue wise. This does have a brand new clutch in it, so that's the 3rd tank I've ran through with the new clutch. Yeah, those shoes, kind of hard to deal with if you guys have ever replaced those shoes. It's kind of fun, but it's kind of annoying too. But I did it, and it's running killer. So thanks. We ran the Team Associated MT2 as well. And I didn't bring a fully charged pack. I just wanted to road test it a little with my new shocks and stuff like that. But it was cutting out. The low voltage cutoff kept cutting out. I could turn it off, turn it back on, and run again for a minute. Just got a little bit of footage, and that was it. So we'll have to look into that. Thanks. Talk to you later, guys. Donatello's Workshop, L-Town Productions.